Hello, welcome back to Golden News. One of the most fascinating and concerning political discussion of our time. What to know about the Trump indicted document case and what is the next? It is a case that has captured global attention. Donald Trump indicted on 37 counts of mishandling classified document at his Florida state represent the most serious legal jeopardy so far Trump, coming less than 3 months after he was charged in New York with 34 felony count of falsifying business record. According to the indictment, Trump is accused of keeping documents related to nuclear weaponry in the United States and nuclear capability of foreign countries, along with documents from White House intelligence briefing, including some details the military capability of US and other countries. Prosecutors allege Trump showed off the document to people who didn't have a security clearance to review them, and later tried to conceal document from his own lawyers as they sought to comply with the federal demand to find and return documents. Do you know the top charges carry a penalty up to 20 years in a prison? After leaving office in 2021, the former president showed someone working for his political action committee a map that detailed a military operation in a foreign country. Prosecutors allege in the document. On the other occasion that year, Trump showed a writer, a publisher, and two of his staffers, none of whom had a security clearance, a military plan of attack. After this indictment, what happened with Trump? How is Trump reacting? Trump on his Truth Social app on Thursday called his indictment a dark day for United States of America. In a video post, he said, "I am innocent and we will prove that very soundly and hopefully very quickly." Within a 20 minutes of breaking the news, his 2024 presidential campaign sent out a fundraising message asking for a financial support. After that, he continued to post about it on social media, lashing out at the special counsel who investigated the case, seeking to blame President Joe Biden, labeling the investigation a witch hunt, and declaring, "I had nothing to hide, nor do I now." The Justice Department unsealed the indictment Friday, the first time the department confirmed Trump was being charged with a crime. Special counsel Jack Smith, who filed the charges, made his first public statement. "Country has one set of law and they apply to everyone." He said prosecutor would seek a speedy trial. What do you think about Trump? After the classified document case, do you really vote for Trump?